How to set multiple timers on iPhone, iOS 17. How to set multiple timers on iPhone. With the iOS 17, you can now set multiple timers directly in the Clock app without downloading a third-party app. Users are reporting that this feature is a game-changer for cooking, managing kids, or just general productivity. Here's how to use the new feature. Why you'll love this tip. You can now set multiple timers at once to make tasks like cooking and managing multiple tasks super simple. You can set multiple timers directly from the Clock app, instead of having to download a third-party app to perform the simple task. Before iOS 17, if you wanted to have more than one timer counting down at once, you needed to download a third-party app. Now, Apple has updated the Clock app to make it quick and easy to set numerous timers. First, on your iPhone, open the Clock app. Second, tap Timers. Third, go ahead and start a new timer. Fourth, then, tap the plus in the top right. Fifth, from here, you set up another timer and tap Start. Sixth, now, you will be able to see multiple timers at once. Seventh, you can also quickly start a new timer by tapping the play button next to your recent timers. Eighth, from your lock screen, you'll see a timer stack. Tap it to see all your timers. Ninth, now you can pause, cancel, or collapse your timers right from your lock screen. And that's all there is to it. I'm very happy about this useful but simple feature added to the Clock app.